Hi, so as you would believe, this is the skincare declutter. It's been a long time coming. I know it's just really daunting because there's a lot of it and there are like different areas to tackle, but I'm ready, here and willing. Right before we get into the video, I just want to say a huge thank you to today's sponsor, Skillshare. Skillshare is an online learning community with more than thousands of classes for everyone to take, from like cooking to learning how to use specific software. I've talked about this before. PR, design, everything you could possibly want to learn, photography, videography. And it's great because the premium membership gives you unlimited access to all of these classes. Like if you don't get a premium membership, you get access to some. Since we're all encouraged to stay home, like you might as well like pick up a class, like learn something new. If you have an iPad, why not learn how to use Procreate? So I'm prepping myself for that right now. I'm getting an iPad really soon. I'm really excited. All of the classes are split up into like small little episodes, so they're like bite-sized information that you can just sort of read through and understand, and they're really fun. So if you want to try Skillshare, there will be 2 months free of premium membership, the one that gives you unlimited access to all of the classes. Down below, don't forget to click the link, and if you want to sign up for it, after the 2 months, it's less than $10 a month for the annual membership. So it's a really good deal, you know, to charge your brain up. If you guys are already using Skillshare, that's awesome. I really do want like new class recommendations, so if you have anything that you find it's interesting or stuff that I would like, please leave them down below. I'll love to hear it. Okay, back to the video. First heads up is I'm like standing up so I can like move around a lot. This is my job. I get sent a lot of skincare. I review a lot of skincare. I collect skincare to do like collective reviews. This amount of skincare is a lot more than what any normal person would need. If I didn't have my job, I wouldn't have like 1/3 of the stuff that I would have. And I'm doing this mainly to refresh my collection, to see what I'm using, see what I'm not using, and then really reorganize them, because right now they're really messy. And I also want to get rid of stuff that's expired, that's close to expiry, or stuff that I'm not gonna use, so that I can pass it on to other people. Okay, so now that you've seen it, you know what we're dealing with. I am chasing the sun a little bit because it's already like 4 in the afternoon and it's really like dank and gloomy and really sad, and my lights are already on, but I know you can't tell because it's just like not so great. So yeah, I'm gonna get into it. Come on, let's go. I am also, whoa. I'm also gonna show y'all the stuff that I keep in the bathroom. Even though these things are not usually things that I would declutter, I'm just gonna see if there's anything that I wanna declutter. Hi! Hi, Claire! You think I can't see you? Hi, Bobby! Hi! The only thing I got rid from the bathroom is this, but okay. He is very offended that he cannot come in. You can't! Look at what is here! It's the next day because it got too dark to film, but I finally set things up and I just want to walk you all through what is on my daily vanity. So for someone like me with a lot of skincare, I want to rotate them all and I want to be able to see them clearly. This section here, it looks very messy, but also because there's not enough space for storage lah, okay? These are the things that I feel like I want to use more of / are gonna expire soon or are gonna finish soon. So I want to empty the bottles so that I can like move them on instead of having like a bunch of like almost empty bottles. These are also things I'm trying to remind myself like, hey, use them in your routine. So if I'm not really like focused on what I want to do with my skin, I can just sort of reach here, grab it real quick and like just like you know, that's done. Right here I have an organizer. I don't know if y'all saw me like sort of organize this, but this is basically split up into spot treatments. So acne, when the acne is like really red and really angry, and then acne scars. And then I also have like Dr. Glowderm serums, which are like kind of funny shaped, so I put them here. And then I also have specific like ingredients based like boosters, really concentrated serums, and then I also have eye creams and eye serums. Back here I have two really tall serums that don't fit. And then I also have these Laneige sleeping masks because I love them so much. But I put them in storage because I was using other sleeping masks and then they're all like gonna expire now. So just as a general rule, I'm not gonna give anything away that is like less than 6 months to its expiry. So I'm just using those things for myself. And then right at the back, I use this rattan like wooden sort of box thing to keep my toners, my essence, and also my sunscreen. Some taller moisturizers as well. Before that, I had everything out like this. It was very, very chaotic. So I do highly recommend you find something like this. I found this on Taobao, but the shipping was like maybe 3 or 4 times the price of this thing because it was very bulky, so I don't recommend you getting it on Taobao. So moving on here, let me scooch you down a little bit. Whoa! So right here are the majority of my serums, my moisturizers, my sleeping masks, and also like my face oils and stuff. For a normal person, like this is a lot and it's really excessive, but you know, for me, I do get a lot of use out of them, like seriously. And I do go through like rotations and stuff, so I'm gonna show y'all my holy grails. One of my holy grail serums are right here. I'm just gonna talk about serums mostly because I love my serums. So this is from Origins. It's a Plantscription Anti-Aging Power Serum. And I know what you're thinking, girl, you're 24, what you doing anti-aging? You wanna look underage? But it's amazing. Like this, ooh, you know, okay, there are just some serums that you use on your face and the next day you can immediately feel a difference. Like for the Laneige sleeping mask, you feel that difference. But for serums, this, the Estee Lauder ANR, the Advanced Night Repair, like you can feel a difference. This is the SK2 Genoptics Aura Essence. These are all very expensive products, but if you're ever gonna splurge on a serum, why not pick any of these 3? Really good, like promising ones so far are the Vichy Mineral 89. This is really, really good. I've been using the other like Aqua series from Vichy for years and years. This is from Caudalie. This is the Blemish Control Infusion Serum. So both of these are really, really promising as well. Over here I have more like actives and then here I have more like hydrating. So I have it like organized like that. In case you're curious about what goes on in the second drawer, it's just a bunch of like nasty hair stuff. And then right on the corner here, this is my little like trolley area, and it also has like body care and hair care stuff down below, hair tools right on the bottom. But right here I keep a lot of my facial mists, hand cream, just stuff that I need to grab. This is boob cream. I got it in a box. I don't really know what else to do with it other than apply it on my boobs, but I just can't seem to finish it, so it's here for a while. And then I also have like my cotton pads and cotton buds. So yeah, these are from LG, the Pro L stuff, you know, I did a review on them, so yeah. I have put everything back into its little boxes and you saw kind of the process, but I wanted to take out like some of the smaller boxes for y'all to see. I used like old PR boxes, the bigger ones the better, and then I just sort of try my best to fit them with each other. Yeah, it takes like a lot of trial and error, but honestly I enjoy doing it. So these are my moisturizers and sleeping masks, and then these are my eye spot and lip treatments. So it is ta-da! This is not my ideal way of storing them, but it works and it's also very cost effective because basically I'm not spending any money on storage and I am able to sort of like hide them underneath my wardrobe, so I'm not really forced to look at the boxes all the time. At the same time, I also know that if I need to, I can put new stuff in there, I can take new stuff out, so it's fine. I hope you guys enjoyed my skincare declutter / like collection, and let me know what else you guys want to see. If you want me to declutter my kitchen, my pantry, I can do that too. But that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you found it helpful to give you some inspiration on how to like keep your stuff. I know it's not like the most extravagant or luxurious, but it's a very realistic and very functional way for me to keep my skincare. Thank you so much for oh wow. Oh my god, I'm so shy. Oh, you smell great.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for watching, and thank you Skillshare for sponsoring this video. If you liked it, don't forget to click the thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. I make new videos every week. Not very consistently, but I'm trying my best, alright? So turn on my notifications so you get my videos hot off the press. And we will see y'all soon. Oh my god, happy family. Okay, bye. Oh, hi.